I know, my lunch too, and he said lunch.
No, we were starving now that day.
Yeah, how much we sending that? It's $2.25.
Hey, don't send it yet.
No?
Yeah.
The last?
Yeah.
Oh, it's free.
I got 2 weeks, no? Oh no, I got 3.
You have 3 weeks.
Nah, but like I'm gonna get it out the way. I don't know.
No, it just said foreign currency will change. It's posted on my thing.
Oh.
It might go down, it might go up.
Alright.
Depending on Trump, man.
Literally on Trump. Alright,
Men's are finally making their way to the biggest KFC in Jamaica.
No. Worst KFC in Jamaica, right?
Oh,
Best
2.7 stars.
Best KFC in Jamaica.
Worst.
Best one?
Want to take a bit?
It's rated 2.7.
Say honest.
And when I was looking at who's near me, I seen the rating.
It might be near.
That happens. I actually might not even buy it.
Is he okay?
I'm waiting for someone to try.
Come here, Ronnie. Your eyes are crashing up.
No, but yeah, our last time was definitely so real. Because he saw us getting sorted and he ran for it. I can't lie, I thought Raph for his face. I did not even know what he looked like. I super thought Raph his face. And I'm drunk at this point. I'm like, okay, Raph got it for sure. I didn't know that was I looked at Raph's like, Raph looked at me.
I didn't even know he had one.
I'm like, oh,
what? Our driver.
He had what?
I thought he had like a flipping rat tail.
You know what he looked like, no?
Yeah.
Okay, I know.
As I know, I told you, I'm like, yo, he's right there.
Yeah, I'm like,
He was signaling you, and then you looked at me. I'm like, sweet, that's him.
nah, we don't need a taxi. Thank you though, boss. I appreciate it. Yeah, we got it.
Why man's just camp out here and wait for niggas to leave? Oh yeah, but what's the called? Nigga Malik said it's better to get bikes than a car.
It's better to get bikes.
Yeah, but like you have to get like a what's it called? What's it called, bro?
I can't lie, I'm not even thinking of driving down here.
You're not going to the city though?
On the left too?
On the left is insane.
It's gonna be a model. And
Is that insane?
They drive mod. They drive so mod.
Can't lie.
Great.
Enjoying the country, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
One love,
brother.
One love Island.
Every time, you know that. No farmer disrespect, you know what I mean? I'm just the guy with some real saw. It's free to look when I say real saw, real collie, you know what I mean?
We're actually good right now still.
No, I'm just showing you, not the garbage you get this smoke. Yeah,
God, it's still.
yeah. I'm just honest, like that's,
Keep the band, yeah.
you know what I mean?
Appreciate that.
Wanna go to that
would be hard to ride. Holy fuck.
That's an Uber Eats, fam. That was an Uber Eats.
That was Uber Eats?
That was Uber Eats.
Yo,
No, fam, they got it outside the bar. They just had confidence. Cause you know how we were getting swarmed? I swear there's a food spot somewhere around there. Like someone like outside food.
I don't think anyone's gonna swarm a girl though.
Well,
Bruh.
they do it a different way, and they definitely do.
yeah.
It just, I think they're swarming us, so they got this sky by.
Fuck me.
Our driver's actually real though.
Yeah, he was.
He was damn near gonna rock to the whole thing.
Fam, I did not expect it. Like I said, you good acronym with zombies. The zombies are doing shit though. Fam, they were in our car. They're climbing in the car. They had a crawler in the car, fam.
Rebuild the barrier. You know about that? Rebuild barrier.
No, but like, I was at the back, and all bro said, "Yo, you get money for some food?" I was like, "Nah, I got money, fam."
I remember me and Ryan got in. We see one just getting.
One, I seen two. There was an old man and a young guy asking for food.
Okay, you didn't see when we first walked in though?
R3 to rebuild the wall.
That's what I'm saying. Rebuild barrier.
You remember when we first walked in though? I was also at the
thing.
back again. No, not the thing. When we first walked in, I was at the back and it was
The ting?
no, it was fuck, what was it? It was another youngin fam came up to me and then some old guys like, hey man, move from Bumble Club. I was dying, fam.
So I'm at saying you were downtown Jamaica, fam, Montego Bay.
Yeah.
We just booked our excursions. Went to the club last night. Y'all might get a few clips of that, but yeah, we downtown Jamaica. About to see what we can find. We got Burger King in the distance. We need to get some shoes for this, waterfall we're about to climb up later.
Blue Diamond's right there. Let's go Blue Diamond first, and then KFC should be somewhere around there. You know where KFC is?
KFC's deeper. Like a straight left.
Okay, no way, that's where you'll
We out though in the trenches, chat. Let me know if I should start going to places and doing IRL streams with the crew. Let me know if that's something y'all want to see. Let me know.
I was assuming 3 streets.
Did this nigga say downtown Jamaica?
That's where we are.
I guess. Sound like bro that said downtown Canada.
I'll leave the 5. Yeah.
Okay, bet. Take my card too,
Yeah, man. Of course.
so I can contact you, my
Yeah,
brother.
man. No worries, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Yeah, everything just looks dull, fam. What the fuck?
You're actually right by the airport, though.
Now we're at no, Malik's right by the airport. I looked at a resort. It's literally across the street from the airport.
No way.
Yeah.
How's the angle? 30?
Yeah.
All right. No, you're a new cameraman.
I'll hold it at 1-2 times.
Yeah?
This gives me aura. The cameraman usually gets all the love.
They do. Whose channel are you filming for? I'm actually a content creator too.
Yo, this is
Get
mine.
out, Sway.
You act like I won't plug my shit when they ask. Then who's this for? Clout Rum on
Okay, you're
YouTube.
good.
Free Rum NYK on Twitch. Yo, bro pressed the button with his whole thumb, fam. Dirty thumb, come on. Hey, yo!
Welcome to Jamaica. My name is Mike. Look at my tattoo.
Yeah?
You know what this means? Once you call the shots, I fire them and collect.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Rainbow gift shop. Across right there. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on, it's here.
Did this nigga just stop him?
You respect me, you didn't know that.
Gotcha.
Right.
Come across.
He's a big homie here.
Hey, when I tell you something, don't disbelieve. I'm 42. 20 years out here.
Yeah.
You think you put out here 20 years and don't get touched? Yeah, that's the reason why. Because let me turn my back to the road so no one can read me. So cocaine, and you know once you deal with cocaine, you have to have guns. Because you know what the rat gonna do? Take the cheese. If you don't got the chop to clamp this tail, you have no cheese. Once you don't have no cheese, you have no money. Rainbow gift shop, 50% off.
What's going
I know
on?
you're the killer.
Pardon me?
I know you're the top.
Me?
Guess why?
What?
You look like everyone.
Oh, gotcha.
They don't know who is who when you pull up.
Thank you.
They don't fuck with you.
They don't?
You know, I know you
Bro yapping right now?
simple just like
Chat bros yapping or nah?
You're the one? Kingpin.
Lot of sisters and brothers, you see? Stand around, let me take photograph. Do the photograph. Come in my truck. One love. Welcome to Jamaica. Come around, man. Come around the plant and all.
Say word.
No pussy test. One love in Jamaica. No pussy
I got you.
test. All my killers is here from America.
Yeah,
Want me to pick up?
No
Pick
pussy
of us?
test.
I got you.
Take a pick of us?
Yeah, man. Hold the plant. Don't be afraid. It's mine.
Raf, don't be shy. Get in there. Raf, don't be shy.
This on TikTok.
TikTok?
Yeah. One love. No pussy test. Gaza for life.
Gaza forever. One love.
No pussy test. Gaza.
That's one. On the next one. Yeah.
All right. Going in the store now.
Yes, sir.
This side. Oh, which way?
Put it on TikTok same time.
Okay.
My killer is here. No pussy
Sure, for
test.
sure.
Put this in your pocket.
No, I'm good. I don't need. I'm good.
Wedding cake and
I'm
love.
good. I'm good. Thank
Come
you,
this
though,
way.
boss.
Seriously following, bro? You said what?
Any one of the ladies in need?
Hello.
Give you permission.
You're getting some good clips right now, I'm not
Me?
gonna lie, yeah.
I'm that nigga still.
Wait for these titles.
W cameraman.
Okay.
Yo.
What if we all get one? You can't do half off? No?
Think about it.
Make it 12.
12?
$12?
You can do 10?
10.
10 easy.
It's not mine, so remember, if you guys don't buy, I don't get paid. Okay?
We'll buy it.
Okay.
So 10?
I'll talk with the boss, okay?
Okay.
The last grippers?
These go crazy. Let me know, chat. W or L?
They're calm.
Man, what his
I'm gonna match her.
Don't match me,
Yo,
fam.
we're matching, fam.
This is 11 though, check. It's 414.
It says 11. It says 44.
Oh my bad, you're right.
These kind of look like my top threes. You have a 10 in this colorway?
In this colorway,
10.
Yeah.
he's looking for like the Kobe Grinches, but like this way. But like magnets. Yo, I look you want to look around, no? You can look from there.
That's what I was telling you.
Over here too, Josie.
I'm gonna just get some stuff at the resort. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what's over here? You know me.
No, they sell cigars out here too.
Yeah, okay.
Rum tasting? No rum tasting?
This tasting? We're tasting what? What are we tasting?
Come.
Romy, do you see what we're tasting right now?
What?
Fam, wait, what?
What are we?
What are we tasting? What do you want us to taste?
That's what you're tasting, fam?
Romy, she said you look like you want to taste.
Alright, go ahead, guys.
Yo.
It's actually
Hey,
good.
yo.
Wait, what's good?
Man's just had the big.
The BBB.
Real one, real one.
$46 for the taxi.
You guys say, well, where man's about to go?
Oh, no, yeah, we can
Watch out for zombies. Though. Watch out for zombies.
There's no zombie.
That one was a zombie.
Yo, can man's
Are you
race?
racing? Keep going. I'm trying to do something.
I'm a cameraman. Brother, it says pull.
He ignored it. Bro, it's like you though.
Ow. Yo.
Where's KFC? Oh, our boss man right here.
And bun.
You see a funny vid.
Like, I don't know which stage show. Look. War kicking off. Look,
No, sir.
the war start.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
The war start.
I am dead.
See?
That's funny. That's crazy.
That joke still.
Yo.
Finish.
Yeah. Huh?
Boston, where's the KFC? Right up front.
Okay, y'all acting like bro's not gonna expect a little something.
I already thought.
We have a driver, fam.
Hmm?
We have a driver.
Who? Not eat time. He's gonna expect someone at the end. Someone saying bun him.
Bro, he's already like our guardian, fam. What we gonna do?
A guardian from what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get gunned down like who?
See, we have to tell him just.
Like Marley's crew?
You have to say bun him then.
Yes. Bro's teaching you how to cross the street. They call me.
Yo, clear the view. That's
I don't even know. I got something to say. Don't make it hot. I got something to say, but don't make it hot.
Go ahead.
It came to tour. It's mid-burrito. Mid-burrito.
Yo. Is he unraveling or doing it? I don't even know.
Yeah. Why you don't go and come up?
how barbecue is, man.
You can get his meat.
Super nice, man. Nice food, that's what I'm saying.
How would you get like a bucket?
This is in Trench. I don't know what is chat. Hardy Jones. Or John, I guess.
It's Hardy John's fam.
Yeah, whatever the fuck it. Where man's going?
KFC, it's right here.
Oh. Need a guide for that?
That means we're trying to get us connect for the front of the line.
I guess. Fam, yeah.
I can't lie, like last time I went, it was an hour wait. I can't lie.
What? Oh, you went here?
No, next one. He Kingston.
I don't know. Who's gonna put bro on?
Connect for the.
Hey, stop, sir.
Stop.
Jesus, security. Alright?
Huh?
Right.
Yo, I'm crying. I couldn't even pan that. They call me murder.
No way, boy.
What, a place lock off or something? Oh my god, that lineup is insane.
Where?
So you said.
Inside.
You can drive through too.